Hello friends, become agribusiness and quality expert in 100 days. Friends, as you are aware that you are watching this series in my YouTube channel, and today is my 22nd episode. And today I am going to discuss about the use of plastic bags in fresh fruit and vegetable industry. Friends, my name is Arun Mehta and you are watching my YouTube channel Arun Mehta Quality Talk. Friends, as you are aware that you cannot think human life without the use of plastic. You name anything, whether it's a milk packaging, whether it's a medicines, whether it's a electronic parts, fruits and vegetables, and many more. Everywhere plastic is used. So it's very useful thing. But on the other hand, its use is hazardous also because it not become degrade in the soil. In the soil for many years it remains and it impact the environment drastically. So, Government of India has brought some regulations for the use of these plastic bags. Actually, they given guideline to state governments to use their own guidance, own guidelines. So, different state governments have notified certain rules for the use of plastic bags in different industries. Every state government have a different rule as per their convenience, but mostly it is common that low thickness, low micron bags are not permitted. Generally the high thickness bag, which customer after use most of the time put only in the dustbin, not throw here and there, are permitted. But when government was putting bans for the use of plastic, many industry who are in this business have started making different type of bags which are biodegradable and can be used in fresh fruit and vegetables, which does not come under the regulations. So today I am going to cover about these bags only. So today's my topic is what is the difference between degradable, compostable and biodegradable plastic bags. Friends, first I will talk about degradable bags. Degradable bags are different from biodegradable bags because they don't need living organisms to initiate breakdown process. As you are aware that when these bags are mixed in the soil, some degradation process starts. So these type of bags don't need living organisms to initiate this process. While making these bags, some chemical additives are used which allow these bags to break down much quicker rate in compared to regular plastic bags. So manufacturer use some chemical additive to make this degradable. Otherwise, these bags are naturally will not become degradable. So, second type of bag is biodegradable bags. In biodegradable bags, these bags can break down by the living organisms. What are the living organisms? Fungi and bacteria, which are available in the soil, which are available in the environment. So biodegradable bags, these bags can be break down by living things like fungi or bacteria. These bags are made from the plant-based material. And what is that plant-based material? Corn, potato, wheat starch. Mainly starch is used, corn starch, potato starch, wheat starch is used against the oil-based plastic which is derived from the petroleum. So while making these bags are made mainly from the starch of these particular crops which I told you. If you want to find out the difference physically by touching, so the difference between degradable bag and biodegradable bag is that biodegradable bags will look like little soggy. When you will put these plastic bags in the water, some will dilute and it will, in your hand, you will find some stickiness or some sogginess because it is made of starch. Whereas the other plastic bags, if you will put in the water, you will not find any difference. So this is the difference between degradable bag and biodegradable bags. Now what is compostable bags? Compostable bags means the bag which can also be used for making compost along with the fruits and vegetable waste. So compostable bag, these bags are also made by using plant material. The same plant material which is used for biodegradable also used for compostable bags. But the base organic compounds when processed is same. Since they ultimately made with cellulose, so no toxic gases are released when they are decomposing. So in decomposing, no toxic gas is coming, so easily these bags can also be made compost. I hope the difference between degradable, compostable and biodegradable bags will be clear now. Other than this, there are normal plastic bags which are in use for particular thickness, which are made of plastic. Different type of plastic is used in that along with certain chemicals. So friends, I hope you like my today's video. If you like this, don't forget to press like button and keep watching my next video. Till time, be happy, be healthy and keep your health intact. Thank you very much.